Hi everyone! Last time nga pinasyal namin kayo dito sa Temecula at pinakita din namin yung isa sa mga popular gluto business dito sa US na owned by our kababayan.
Hi! Welcome! Welcome to the Hydro Drip Bar. Ako nga pala si Ricky. Itong wife ko, si Grace. And we are the owners of the Hydro Drip Bar. May mga drips kami dito. Different kinds of drip. If you want energy boost drip, the migraine drip, pag may mga sakit kayo ng ulo. Pero ang bestseller talaga namin is yung the Fountain of Youth drip. So, we specialize in IV glutathione therapy. Of course, ang unang priority namin is your safety. Lahat ng nagsusupply ng medications namin dito is from the United States and not coming from other countries. Lahat ng facilities na kinukuha na ng meds are FDA approved and that's why we are safe. It's our first location sa Temecula area. Nag-open kami sa Mira Mesa, San Diego. Especially, we're beside Jollibee, Max, and we are inside the Phoenix Salon as well. We offer the same treatments, glutathione therapy. We offer vitamin shots, weight loss shots. So, mga gustong magpapayat dyan, malapit na ang summer.
At before nga kami mag-start, may doctor's consultation para malaman yung history namin. Kasi of course, hindi nila i-recommend sa'yo ang IV hydration kung meron kang health issues. At ito na nga yung result after namin magpapamper sa The Hydro Drip Bar. Super happy and satisfied kami ni Daddy. Please also follow their social media accounts. Yun lang. Thank you. Bye!